Let me show you how to adjust video quality settings on your Facebook app. Grainy or blurry videos on Facebook could be a setting in the app itself. I'll show you how to change it. Now, first, just open up the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android. It works the exact same. And we're going to tap on the menu at the bottom right, or sometimes it's at the top right. From here, let's just get to your settings. So scroll down, open up settings and privacy, and then settings. Now we can change whether you have high quality crisp videos that you're watching and whether they autoplay or not, essentially by controlling the use of data on your app. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to choose the media option here. And now you can see video quality. If it's set to data saver, you can see lower the resolution for all videos. So we want to switch this to optimize. Now, in addition to that, under autoplay, instead of never autoplay, I would switch this to when using cell data or Wi-Fi, and then you'll have crisp, clear videos in the Facebook app.